Quick Facts with Franklin. I hope you learned something. Love you. Bye. State capital and facts. Science. History. World. Math. The capital of Colorado is Denver. The Centennial State joined the Union exactly 100 years after the signing of the Declaration of Independence. It has the highest paved road in the U.S., winding up over 14,000 feet. Go Colorado! Meet the lark bunting, the official state bird of Colorado. The male lark bunting is a master of disguise. During the summer breeding season, he sports a flashy, tuxedo-like black plumage with bright white wing patches. In winter, he molts completely changing, turning a dusty, streaky brown to blend in perfectly to camouflage himself from predators. The polar vortex is a giant swirling mass of cold air that usually stays near the North Pole. It acts like a massive wind tunnel that keeps the freezing temperatures locked up in the Arctic. This invisible whirlpool of super cold wind is held together by a jet stream that acts like a strong fence. When this fence gets weak or wobbly, the frozen air can escape. Scientists watch the polar vortex closely because it controls how much cold air moves across our entire planet. Places like Antarctica stay incredibly cold while other areas can be comfortable. Understanding this weather giant helps meteorologists predict freezing storms before they arrive in your town. When the vortex breaks apart, it can send record-breaking snowstorms and dangerously low temperatures all the way down to places that usually have sunny winters. These unexpected weather events remind us the power of nature. The sudden freezes can freeze pipes and bring tons of snow. To learn more about polar vortex, you can read books or watch documentaries about meteorology. Mahatma Gandhi was a brave leader who believed kindness was stronger than any weapon. He taught the world that you can fight for freedom without ever hurting another person. Gandhi organized the Salt March where people walked 200 miles just to make their own salt from the ocean. This simple act showed that ordinary citizens could challenge powerful rulers by following their own rules of peace. His ideas were important because they proved that love and nonviolence could end years of unfair treatment and injustice. Gandhi showed everyone that true strength comes from standing up for what is right without fighting back physically. This radical thinking healed societies and communities started working together to solve conflicts. Gandhi's actions helped India gain its freedom and inspired leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. to fight for equality in America. His legacy lives on today whenever people use peaceful protests to make big changes around the globe. To learn more about Mahatma Gandhi, you can read his biographies, watch his documentaries, or visit his museums. Niagara Falls is a roaring giant that drops over 700,000 gallons of water every second. This incredible natural wonder has been shaping the land for thousands of years while creating a misty, 100-foot rainbow show. This mighty waterfall dates back 12,000 years. It is actually made up of 3 separate bodies of water that flow together in a spectacular display. The Horseshoe Falls is the largest and loudest part, while the American Falls and Bridal Veil add to the magic. Niagara Falls is incredibly important because it provides clean energy for millions of homes through hydroelectric power plants. It also serves as a major landmark that helps scientists study how moving water changes the Earth over time. Engineers control the current flow rate to allow land erosion up to 1 foot per year. Without the hydroelectric power plant, many families would have to pay much higher rates for electricity or even go without power during winter nights. Engineers are always working hard to keep the machines running smoothly so that our world stays bright and warm no matter how cold it gets outside. To learn more about Niagara Falls, you can virtually explore tours online or read books about world wonders. It is a beautiful sight. I hope you learned something. If not, let's watch again. Love you. Bye.